Oh, yeah. There we go.
Gracie's probably like, okay, Grace?
Any minute now.
Amen, Jesus. It's like every second. Every second. Oh my gosh!
Oh,
Did you get
God,
that?
yeah.
This is gonna get a lot of hits on YouTube, isn't it?
And we'll find out.
Good old Jesus. Surprised it's not raining that hard yet. That was like a ball. Did you see it?
Yeah, it's hardly even raining.
Yeah, it was like a giant ball though when that last one went off. That you got the big one.
Mm-hmm. There's gonna be another one coming soon.
Man, I don't think I've ever saw lightning like going like the sky is lighting up like every second like that before. I think I have. Well, not exactly. This is a new world record.
Poor mom's out driving in this weather. Hopefully she's okay.
Yeah, she's in a car. It's like 6,000 lightning strikes. If you're in a car, are you usually safe when lightning striking?
Oh my goodness.
Are you usually safe when lightning strikes?
Yeah. I mean, if you're in the house, yeah.
Well, if you're in a car.
Yeah, in the car, yeah. As long as it doesn't strike the car.
Wow. That like lit up the backyard like a firework. Jesus doesn't like the dark, so he's getting a nightlight. God bless.
He is the light, Max.
Yeah, I know. I wonder if we're ever gonna be able to see God, or is he just gonna be like a giant light? Oh my gosh.
Did you see how bright that was?
That was like the afternoon. I looked at
It
you.
lit up the whole
I know.
backyard.
I looked at you and then I saw it. Whoa. Wow. It's like the afternoon for 1 second at nighttime. This is gonna be a hit. This is God's warning. I wonder if it's the end of the world. It'd be much worse than this. I think God would blow his trumpets already. Or his angels.
Whoa, my goodness.
It sounds like a big clacking sound, and then it was like boom. Excuse you.
Excuse me.
Whoa. Wow.
No.
It lit up the whole...
Oh my gosh, did you see that?
That was like afternoon for 3 seconds. If it's the end of the world, we gotta stick together, man.
It's not the end of the world.
It's not the end of the world.
So it's a lightning show, God showing us his
powers and glory.
His power and his beauty, yeah.
I love God's beauty. Man, I'm glad you guys brought me down for this. It's beautiful, isn't it?
Yes.
Wonder if anybody else is watching right now. Probably is, like millions. It's Naples, dude. It's not happening. It's not happening everywhere, but it's happening in Sadie County.
Clay County.
Oh, I was just whoa. Cheap. I don't think I've ever seen this much lightning when it doesn't even rain.
It's hardly even raining now, I know.
I know.
It's funny.
I know, you see, I'm glad you're getting this on video. Like, it like lights up the whole like backyard. Whoa, the whole world is lighting up. Instead of 12 hours, nighttime is going to be like 1 hour. Whoa. Hey Dad, do you know what I saw in Jeopardy?
What's that?
Like the question, the last question of this guy, the last question was he got the right answer. It was Jesus Christ. That was the answer of the question.
Really?
Yeah, Jesus Christ. That was the answer of the question. So I guess Jeopardy is